On this video, we're going to take a look at this fire-resistant tarp cover that protects anything that's above it. All right. So let's throw that back in the pit and see what we're left with. All right, so we have we have a fire pit here. Problem is always that we got this stuff. So we take this, it's like a little fire blanket that we're gonna place, and then this is supposed to basically hold all that stuff. All right, so we lit this up. It just kind of creates soot. See how it handles fire. It's about it falling right. I mean, obviously you could actually melt this plastic, so it's about it kind of falling. And not screwing up anything underneath. I think that's the biggest thing. So what do you use this for? If you have a grill and you want to use this on brass or anything else, you would put this underneath, and then it would just kind of protect the surfaces underneath. So obviously you don't want to be directly burning this. So let's see. All right. So let's throw that back in the pit and see what we're left with. So didn't go through. It did leave a little bit, you can see, of a thing. So you could use this as a fire blanket as well, obviously. And you can just shake it off.